Anti-wrinkle injections is one of the most popular treatments in the market. It's designed to improve the lines that they are creating by smiling, frowning, expression, damaging the skin long term. Anti-wrinkle relaxes the muscle, so even when you smile, the lines are not that obvious. It's important to say that you can play a lot with anti-wrinkle injections. You can just relax or paralyze the muscle. If you just want a natural result, we can just relax and you will be able to smile. The idea is not to lose your natural expression, just to reduce the lines in your face. These injections are not just anti-wrinkles. You can use anti-wrinkle injections to improve bruxism, to make the face, the lower face, slimmer, or to relax the muscle that we have got in the neck called platysma and create the very popular treatment called Nefertiti facelift.